State Finance Secretary, sir, all the esteemed members of the Management Committee, my esteemed colleagues, and my dear students. I congratulate you on this momentous occasion of India's Independence Day. Let me introduce you with my student co-anchor, Taranjeet Kaur from class 11th A, who will be joining me in conducting today's program. I welcome our director, ma'am, Mrs. Rima Punjman.
Now get ready to witness the very first performance filled with zeal, enthusiasm and innocence. Our little ones may be small in size, but their smiles and spirit are larger than life. They are all set to fill the stage with their adorable moves and infectious energy. So put your hands together for our little Nankins as they present a beautiful dance performance for us under the theme Our Freedom Fighters.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम,
भाग रे भाग फिरंगी, झांसी की रानी आई है, भाल तिलक और हाथ खड़क, दुर्गा है काली माई है। भाग रे भाग फिरंगी, भाग रे भाग। अश्व चढ़ी प्रचंड विकट ये मनु है, लक्ष्मी बाई है, शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर, तेरी शामत आई है। शकल नयन की धार तो देखो, गज पर भारी भार तो देखो, तेरे शीश को लेने आई झांसी की रानी आई।
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
बाहर कम से कम 10,000 हैं और हम 21।
आज मेरी पगड़ी भी केसरी, जो बहेगा मेरा लहू भी केसरी और मेरा जवाब भी केसरी।
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका। आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था। कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे, मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। केसरी
पगड़ी संभाल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए, पगड़ी संभाल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए। तेरा लुट ना जाए, ओ तेरा लुट ना जाए माल, जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए। तोड़ गुलामी की जंजीरें, बदल के तू अपनी तकदीरें। पड़ जा ऐसा इनके पल्ले, कर दे इनकी पल्ले पल्ले। तोड़ गुलामी की जंजीरें, बदल के तू अपनी तकदीरें। पड़ जा ऐसा इनके पल्ले, कर दे इनकी पल्ले पल्ले। बल्ले 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 बल्ले
segment are here to present a patriotic song, Jhanda Lehrate Hain. And I request all of you to simultaneously wave your flags throughout the performance as the patriotic song is being rendered.
euphonious. It was a beautiful rendition from the middle segment students. Now we have our next.
से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितारा, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो झंझनाओ बार बार, देश से ये प्रेम आंखों से झलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। शत्रु से कह दो जरा सीमा में रहना सीख ले, ये मेरा भारत अमर है सत्य कहना सीख ले, भक्ति की इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
मिलकर पर गाते हैं, कौमी झंडा फहराते हैं, देश की आन में जान लुटाते देश की आन में जान लुटाते ऐसे हैं मतवाले हम, विपदाओं से लड़ने वाले तूफानों के पाले हम, विपदाओं से लड़ने वाले तूफानों के पाले हम, एक रहेंगे हम एक सदा, एक रहेंगे हम एक सदा। कितनी सुंदर कितनी प्यारी भाषाओं की फुलवाड़ी, कितनी सुंदर कितनी प्यारी भाषाओं की फुलवाड़ी, रंग बिरंगे फूलों से है महक रही प्यारी प्यारी, रंग बिरंगे फूलों से है महक रही प्यारी प्यारी, फुलवाड़ी के माली हम हैं, फुलवाड़ी के माली हम हैं, फूलों के रखवाले हम, विपदाओं से लड़ने वाले तूफानों के पाले हम, विपदाओं से लड़ने वाले तूफानों के पाले हम, एक रहेंगे हम एक सदा, 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 एक रहेंगे एक सदा, इस देश में रहने वाले हम, विपदाओं से लड़ने वाले तूफानों के पाले हम, विपदाओं से लड़ने वाले तूफानों के पाले हम, एक रहेंगे हम एक सदा, 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 एक रहेंगे हम एक सदा।
Beautiful performance. In fact, it was a blend of musicality and coordination. Now, we have our last performance of the day. We are delighted to welcome all the students overseas who are here to add their own colors of happiness and celebration to this special occasion. These blessed children are truly gifted, each one special in their own beautiful way. Despite all challenges, these special children are trying to give their best in this performance. I humbly request all of you to motivate them with a good hand of applause.
वंदे मातरम,
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे, मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे, निकल के खून कहे। लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम, लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरज़मीं का परचम लहरा दो।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Vice Chairman sir, Finance Secretary sir, and all other extremely eminent and distinguished members of the management boards of both the schools, Punjabi Bagh and Khatunpura. My dear staff members, all my very patient young students who are standing over here, I extend a very warm welcome to you all and commend you for your patience in standing here. As we celebrate the nation's 80th anniversary of independence. Today, as we look at this tricolor, we are all infused with extreme patriotic energy. Historically, it meant breaking the chains of slavery. But today, in 2026, it means building the future. We live in an era of rapid change, space exploration, artificial intelligence. But all the high-tech tools need to be commanded with the compass of moral energy. Therefore, you, the young leaders, must combine all the modern skills with three eternal human values: truth, righteousness of conduct, and unity. Truth was used as a very strong and a successful force by our very illustrious freedom fighters against an equally powerful British Empire. But today, your battlefield, young generation, is different. You are hit by an overload of information, fake and false news, and therefore, truth should be your ultimate commander, your ultimate server. Before you share a post, verify it. Before you accept an opinion, question it. Because a nation's data may be coded, but its trust must be earned. Freedom is not an unguided missile. It simply means the power of choosing the right direction. Therefore, righteous conduct, my dear young students, should be your inner GPS. Cheating, shortcuts, bullying may seem very easy, but remember, they always lead to a dead end. True innovation lies in using your inner talents for solving real-world problems. And when you choose sustainability over waste, compassion over anger, you are actually updating the software, moral software of your nation. India has a rich legacy of different cultures and languages. But when we combine our unique strengths with a collective impact, with collective energy, of course, it multiplies many times. Let us build a strong Indian nation which is not only based on advanced technology, but on eternal, deep human values. So without taking any further time, Jai Hind! Can you say that a little louder, dear friends? Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you. And now I would request our Honorable Chairman Sir to kindly come onto the stage and address everyone.
Respected management, members of the staff, my dear students, I would like you to say after me 3 times, Bharat Mata Ki, Bharat Mata Ki, Bharat Mata Ki. Thank you. I extend warm and heartfelt congratulations to everyone on the proud and joyous occasion of Independence Day. As we celebrate 79th year of our nation's independence, it is indeed a moment of immense pride and happiness for all of us. I would like to begin by appreciating our wonderful students who have presented such a beautiful performances. Yes, it was truly delightful to see their enthusiasm, confidence, and the zeal and zest with which they participated. Their performances reflected not only their talent, but also their dedication and hard work which they put. The special segment presented by our special student was particularly heartwarming. They marked their presence beautifully and added a very special dimension to today's celebration. A big round of applause for all of our young performers. Dear students, while we celebrate our freedom of our nation today, we must also remember that freedom comes with responsibility. You must remember those soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. And today, in which country you are there, you are because of them. And I want that you, as you are the future citizens of this country, and the nation rests in your hands. Tomorrow is looking at you and the future is looking towards you. Therefore, study well, be disciplined and dedicated, and always strive and become responsible and compassionate human beings. Make your parents proud, make your teachers proud, and above all, make your nation proud. The values imparted to you in your school are not merely meant for the classroom. They are values that will guide you throughout your life and help you reach the pinnacle of success. Your dedication towards studies, your respect for others, your discipline and your commitment to doing what is right will shape the India of better tomorrow. Each one of you has the potential to contribute towards building a stronger and better nation and more progressive nation. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Principal Rubinder Kaur, who has organizing such a wonderful celebration with such a dedication and care. My special thanks to all of you, staff, students, everyone's participation is well done and well appreciated. This program was beautifully planned and executed, and efforts of everyone involved are truly commendable. I once again congratulate all the students, teachers, members of the school community and everyone on this proud occasion who has been here a part of our celebration. So thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your vibrant and inspiring words. May I now request our Honorable Manager, sir, to extend a vote of thanks. Sir, please.
My respectful Chairman Saab, Chairman, Pitambura School, Indra Saab, Manager, Pitambura School, Chawla ji, Madam Kunj, Director, Janakbir Singh ji, Additional Chairman, Guru Nanak Institute, Punjabibad, Mr. Sabharwal, the Finance Secretary of the school, and Mr. Vora, Honorable Member of the School Management, Mr. Iqbal Singh ji, Paul, Vice Chairman, Management Institute, and Amaninder Singh, Manager, Management Institute, and our special guests from Yes Bank, Manager and staff members. We welcome you all on this 79th Independence Day of India. Actually, today we celebration was delightful. We witnessed the program, very interesting program presented by our students, especially the dance performance was very good. I really appreciate that. and special performance by our socially able children was very good. I just congratulate all the students for presenting this program, and special thanks to Ms. Rubinder, the principal of the school, for presenting a very good program today, and also our whole team of staff members and other staff for helping her make this program a great success. And actually, you know, ये जो आज़ादी हमें मिली है, after many sacrifices, and most of the sacrifices were from Punjab, North India. As Ms. Rubinder just said that it's multi-religion, multi-caste. Yes, it is. Everybody sacrificed their life from every part of India. They participated in the movement. But we must remember those who sacrificed the life for freedom of India, like Shaheed Bhagat Singh from Punjab, Subhash Chandra Bose from Bengal, Mahatma Gandhi, and many more. Lajpat Rai, many more there are. Our students are not acknowledging the history, and I would like that they must know the history of India. And they are the future of India, and they must work hard to make India much better country. Our leadership, you know, actually, I'm sorry to say, but we have the political leaders throughout our career. We have seen last 50 years, everybody is corrupt, and nobody is thinking of making India. And the educated people we have, India can become #1 in the world if we wipe out the corruption out of this. And no more to say, and I request all the children, everybody. And I remember one song, 1960s, it was very popular, sung by Lata Mangeshkar. मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा ध्यान से सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी याद करो कुर्बानी. It was a very popular song in 1960s. I think nobody among the children was born then, but it was. Earlier days, there were many patriotic songs, and we used to remember them, remember our leaders. But today, we are busy in our chats, WhatsApp, and all that. So I would like you to go into the history of India and please acknowledge that. Thank you very much. Thank you all.